What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video, man. DIY with the riches, man. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Look, I got a new tool that just came in for the C10 bill. That's right, got a new tool that just came in. UPS. I appreciate y'all for the C10 bill. Yeah, we got the C10 back here behind us, man. Yeah, so the tool I got is a tool to take the cab off and the bed off. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unpack this tool together, man, because I told y'all, man, we doing everything together, man. I want y'all to feel like you got your hands on. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, like your hands on. But look, let me show y'all this new tool I got, man. And just give me a second and we're gonna unwrap this tool. All right, man, so I got this tool here, man. This tool came from a company called Toolmark, man. And basically, let me show y'all, give y'all a glimpse of the C10 again, the C10 project. But basically what this tool do, man, this tool, it hooks up to your engine hoist. So we're gonna cut this open, man. Try to do this with one hand. I'm gonna cut this thing over, man. See what it look like. Feel like Christmas. But anyway, man, this is supposed to help you get up in there. In and out. Yeah. Anyway, man, this is supposed to help you, man. Like if you one person and you out here and you want to change out your bed and stuff. So basically this is a tool that's people that be working on body work and all that stuff on these cars, they can take it out and stuff themselves. So let's see, let's check it out. Let's take it out the bag, man. Let's get it out of here, man, and see what we got here. Show y'all, man, because I told y'all gonna do everything with me, man. Y'all gonna do everything with me. Anyway, this little bar there, man, I had to look at the instructions, see what that's talking about. What else we got up in here? See what's in here. Golly. Hold on. I don't want to come out of there. Wait a minute, man. I'm about to Mortal Kombat this thing over here, man. Show y'all how to get up in there. I'm not gonna let it whoop me. Yeah. Get on out there. Wait, man. Anyway, man. The box getting the best of me, man. I tell you what. I'm gonna cut this thing out, man. Cut this out there. Get over here. All right. There we go. Look at that. Got a little magazine, a little paint booth. Let's see what they got. A little bracket here. So anyway, man, this is just a tool here, man. It's supposed to help you take the bed off. So we got this right here. All this hook up, you see where it hook up under the bed, up under the lip of the bed and stuff, man. It's the bracket here it's the bracket that goes on the actual engine hoist. And then this here is the other end of the bracket. So you see a lot of people on YouTube, man, they make their own, man, but you know, I figure, man, I just spend the money, gonna do it right, man. But anyway, man, let me show y'all the C10, man. We get in-depth look of the C10. Y'all are not gonna believe what I got this for, man. I had another project, man, right there. Zoom in on that project long bed, but it's got an LS in it. But I always wanted a C10 short bed. Finally got me one, man, and I figure, man, since I got what I want, I'm gonna go ahead on and go through it, man. Go all the way through it, do what I want with it, man. Y'all would not believe what I got this truck for. Got this truck for $450 as is. This truck already had drop spindles on it, front, and it's dropped. It's lowered in the back. It already got shocks on it, aftermarket shocks. Man, I couldn't pass it up, man. I seen it. I couldn't pass it up, man. But yeah. Let me show y'all the inside of this thing, man. Let me get this key out here, man. See what it look like in here, man. But yeah, man. Hope y'all gonna look at that, man. Look at that. Y'all see the inside of it? That smell of old. Power window, power locks, seats. All that's coming out. Wiring. All that's gonna be redone, man. Check this out, though. Look at that. Yeah, we're gonna work all that out. But anyway, man, that's what we got, man. We got that. So tomorrow, man, look for the video, man. Tomorrow we will be attacking this cab. We're gonna take this cab out of here, and we're gonna get the bed off here, because this bed, man, it's got some pitting on the bed. So we're gonna show you how to redo the bed panels. We're gonna get new bed panels on both sides. The cab is in good condition, man, but my cab on Project Long bed back there, that don't have any hard rest on it, so we're gonna do a cab swap. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that, change out the bushings, everything. But anyway, man, y'all get back with your boy, man. Look, man, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and hit that likes button, man. I'm out.